Well, hi team. I'm Fitz Kohler, your mega bossy fitness pro from Fitzness.com. And welcome to the Fitzness Show. This one's just a wee little poke. That's right. Teeny tiny bit of encouragement to help you do better and be better today. And so my soapbox right now is for folks to stop asking medical advice from non-medical professionals. That's right. Don't ask me how to fix your knee. I'm a fitness expert. I'm not a doctor. I haven't seen an x ray. And even if I did, I'm not sure what the heck I would do with it. Do you ever see folks on social media putting it out there like, hey guys, I got hip pain. What should I do? I fell and now I can't walk. What should I do? I want you to go see a medical professional. That's right. You go into a doctor, your primary care, you go to a doc in the box, you go to an emergency room. There's a few options right there. Now, I know folks are saying, well, they're expensive. I got to save money. Well, not at the risk of permanent long term injury or making something worse. And so, if you're in a situation where you tripped and you skinned your knee, okay, you know how to bandage that up. Maybe you have a serious ache from twisting. You had some sort of twist and then you think, ouch, that hurts. Okay, well, there's a simple formula: rest, ice, compression, elevation for most acute injuries. But, you know, are you bleeding a lot? Are you in severe pain? Is it a 7 through 10 on the pain scale? Do you think there might be something really wrong? If so, you go to the doctor. If you have pain that lasts for more than a week or so, you go to a doctor. Don't rely on someone in your Facebook running group to solve your problems. Also, don't rely on those people to tell you how to wrap this injury, right? They're saying, well, oh, you have knee pain. Buy my favorite knee brace. Or, well, maybe not, because knee braces are not all the same. They're not all even intended to be the same. They have different purposes. Some knee braces are there for MCL injuries, some are there for ACL injuries, some are there for some other things, right? Patella pain, whatever the heck. So to ask for medical advice from randos who are not a doctor or even your doctor just seems reckless. And I say a doctor because I don't know how many doctors worth their weight in salt are going to diagnose you from across Instagram or Facebook. They're probably not going to do that. If they can't be with you and see what's going on, manipulate your body, touch it, find out where it's tender, where it seems extra loose or extra tight or extra swollen, gosh, I don't know how they would give you a proper diagnosis. And so take your health more seriously than that. And sometimes going in to get a quick evaluation could lead to quicker results, right? Quicker healing. And that goes a long way for me. Folks, I don't want to be down. I do not want to be down longer than I have to be. I am willing to rest. I am willing to do what a doctor tells me to do. In fact, I'm a very good patient for the most part. I have had all the injuries. Thankfully, I actually haven't had them all, but I've broken over 20 something bones. I think I'm at 27 broken bones. And when a doctor says, do not step on this broken foot, if you have to fall on something else, I assure you, I fell on something else. I did not take my boot and just walk around because I was sick of crutches. I decided, okay, if I was told to stay on crutches, I'm going to be on crutches until he says I can come off because my bones can take it. Right. So you have to be serious about your health. Yeah, just it kills me. It kills me when I see people asking medical advice on social media. Don't do it, and don't take that advice. Please don't ask me. I can't tell you how many people say my knee hurts. What should I do? All right. Do you really want fitness expert advice on what to do about your knee? No. the answer, I hope you're screaming at your car stereo or your AirPods. You do not want my advice on what to do for your injury. Plus, I think injuries are gross. Ew, I'm squeamish. I don't want any part of it. I also don't want to see your injuries on social media. Please don't put your skin knee or your dog bite or your bleeding skull. Nobody wants to see that. It's just gross. And it doesn't give you extra points. No one's going to think, well, that guy's extra tough. He showed me his bloody lip. just keep it unless it's funny. So Michael Jones has a black eye. I think he got whacked in the face by a tree. And that black eye's been around for a couple of weeks. Now, I don't wish Michael Jones any pain, but golly, it's really funny to see him show up with a black eye and a smile on his face after finishing a workout. His black eye sweaty selfies are great, but they're not gory. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, that's my poke in the chest. If you are hurt, see a real medical professional. Could be a nurse, could be a PA, could be a doctor, could be I don't know, some other medical professional, but don't ask randos. And I encourage you to do this. I implore you to change that behavior because I actually care about you and your health. And I don't want you to make things worse by taking the wrong advice by the wrong person. Fair? Oh, I'm so grateful to get that off my chest. Thank you for listening. Thank you for letting me poke you in your chest. I hope you feel it. Maybe take your finger and give yourself a good dose of poking right inside both of your clavicles. That'll make me feel productive today. And if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe, click like, all the things. So when I release a poke or a full-length episode or even a mini, you get notified by Apple Music or Spotify or wherever the heck it is you listen. And share this with someone who needs to hear it. I love you. Get to work. Bye, team. Mwah!